Hi guys. I just wanted to show you that contact log from Matt Citron. So I'm going to open up my Google Chrome. I'm going to go to my Gmail. And Matt Citron sent me this, and it's my link. So I'm going to open it up in Google Forms. So you're going to see something like this when you open it up. When you do, you need to come over here. These are the three dots I'm talking about. You click on it. You click on make a copy. When you make a copy, you need to now create it. I'm going to say Reinhardt's contact log 2020. And then I'm going to make sure it goes into my drive, and I'm going to push OK. When I push OK, it's recreating it. And now do you see where it says Reinhardt's contact log? Now this is, so I'm going to put my student's name in here, and you're going to fill it out just the way you want to, because that's what you do. Then once you fill it all out, you come over here to responses, and do you see this little green thing? That is, you can click it, and it's going to create a new spreadsheet. And when you push create, it will tell you all the, and I have nothing in mine, but I'm going to show you. So it will tell you the timestamp, the student's name, the contact mode, purpose of contact in the spreadsheet form. So I hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.